As the world of electric bikes continues to evolve, 2024 brings us an exciting array of folding fat tire e-bikes that combine power, versatility, and convenience. These innovative machines are designed to tackle various terrains while offering the practicality of compact storage. The EUYBIKE K6F stands out with its robust 1,500 watts, 2,000 watts peak, high-speed brushless motor, making it an ideal choice for those who crave power and efficiency. Whether you're tackling steep hills or embarking on long rides, this e-bike promises a top speed of over 35 miles per hour and a range of 60 to 100 plus miles. The motor not only ensures a thrilling ride, but also maintains stability and low maintenance compared to 750 watts or 1,000 watts motors, making it perfect for adult riders looking for an adrenaline rush. The K6F's battery is equally impressive, featuring a 48 volts 25 amp-hour built-in, waterproof, and removable lithium-ion battery. This battery offers up to 100 plus miles per charge with just a 6-hour charging time. This flexibility in charging, either directly on the bike or by removing the battery, adds convenience for daily commutes or travel. Additionally, the 20 by 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, made with premium rubber and anti-puncture technology, are designed to conquer various terrains, from sand and snow to mud and rough trails. Safety and comfort are prioritized with hydraulic front and rear dual-disc brakes and shock absorbers. These features ensure quick and effective braking, adapting to complex road conditions effortlessly. The 8-speed transmission allows riders to customize their speed, making the K6F versatile for different riding styles. Whether you prefer an electric bike, an assist bike, or a normal bike, the EUYBIKE K6F caters to all preferences, promising a balanced and enjoyable ride. The Ridstar H20 Pro is a powerhouse with its dual 2,000 watts brushless motors, propelling you to a top speed of 31 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This incredible acceleration, coupled with a Shamano 7-speed gear system, makes conquering steep inclines effortless, giving you the confidence to explore new terrains. The option to switch between single or dual motor modes adds versatility, allowing you to adapt your ride to various conditions. Equipped with a UL-certified 48 volts 23 amp-hour batteries and a battery management system, BMS, the H20 Pro offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles per charge in pedal-assisted travel. This long-range capability ensures that you can go the distance without worrying about running out of power. The 20 inches by 4 inches puncture-resistant fat tires provide excellent grip on diverse terrains, from snow and beaches to rugged mountain roads, while the dual hydraulic disc brakes guarantee powerful and precise braking, even in wet conditions. The H20 Pro also features high-strength, lockable, and adjustable front and rear suspension forks, effectively absorbing shocks and enhancing ride control. This ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The Shamano 7-speed shifting system further enhances ride control, allowing for precise and reliable gear changes. With these advanced features, the Ridstar H20 Pro is designed to provide a safe, comfortable, and exhilarating riding experience. The VITILAN i7 Pro is equipped with a high-quality 48-volt 750 watts BAFANG motor, capable of reaching a peak power of 1,200 watts and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. This powerful motor, combined with an 80 Nm maximum torque and 5 assist levels, allows the i7 Pro to effortlessly conquer 35-degree slopes and challenging terrains. The motor's efficiency and power make the i7 Pro a versatile choice for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. The i7 Pro's 16 amp-hour removable LG lithium battery provides a range of 32 to 42 miles in pure electric mode and 45 to 60 miles in assist mode, ensuring you have ample power for extended rides. The battery can be fully charged in just 5 to 6 hours using a standard fast charger, and its removable design adds convenience for charging at home or the office. The 20 by 4.0-inch all-terrain aluminum fat tires, coupled with a full suspension system, including an aluminum alloy air fork and 4-link shock-absorbing frame, ensure a smooth and comfortable ride on various surfaces. Safety and control are further enhanced by the 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power. The advanced color display with a USB charging port allows you to monitor essential riding data such as speed, battery capacity, and PS level. The addition of cruise control, which maintains a steady speed until the brake is applied or the mode is changed, adds to the convenience and comfort of the ride. With its combination of power, range, and advanced features, the VITILAN i7 Pro is a top contender in the folding fat tire e-bike category. The Wallke X3 Pro is a high-performance, all-wheel drive e-bike equipped with dual 1000 watts high-efficiency brushless motors, providing a combined output of 2000 watts. This power enables the X3 Pro to achieve a top speed of 34 to 35 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for those who need both speed and strength, whether for commuting or exploring new routes. The speed limit and levels are adjustable, offering customization to suit different riding preferences and conditions. The X3 Pro boasts a 48-volt 20-amp-hour large-capacity battery with a total of 1056 watt-hour, hidden within the frame for a sleek look. This battery provides the range necessary to reach your destination without worrying about running out of power. The waterproof and removable design, complete with a protection switch and lock, ensures security and ease of charging, while the foldable design enhances portability and storage convenience. The superior full suspension system on the X3 Pro includes a 26-inch lockable hydraulic suspension and a sturdy aluminum hydraulic rear shocker. Coupled with 26-foot by 4 fat tires and an oversized comfortable seat, this bike offers a smooth and stable ride even on rough or uneven terrain. The 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence during rides. The Wallke X3 Pro's robust design and advanced features make it a standout choice for those seeking a powerful, foldable fat tire e-bike. Topping our list is the LANKELEISI X3000 MAX, a dual-motor powerhouse with a combined output of 2000 watts, 1000 watts front and 1000 watts rear. This e-bike offers a peak torque of 95 Newton-meters per motor, providing exceptional climbing ability and a maximum speed of 48 kilometers per hour. The X3000 MAX is designed for riders who demand high performance and versatility, making it ideal for a variety of terrains and riding conditions. The bike's large-capacity 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung lithium battery offers a range of up to 77 kilometers in electric mode and 130 kilometers in pedal-assisted mode. This impressive battery life ensures you can enjoy long rides without frequent recharging. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability on diverse surfaces, from city streets to beaches and mountains. The bike's 6061 aluminum alloy full suspension frame, equipped with a 650 pounds rear shock absorber, effectively absorbs road bumps, enhancing riding comfort and load capacity. The smart display on the X3000 MAX provides clear visibility of essential riding data, including speed, mileage, and battery status. The display is also IP64 waterproof, ensuring it remains functional even in rainy conditions. The integrated riding mode switching and fault diagnosis functions add to the bike's user-friendly design. With its powerful performance, long battery life, and advanced features, the LANKELEISI X3000 MAX is the ultimate folding fat tire e-bike for 2024.